pills, meth, cocaine, alcohol, and it's literally been over and over, and it's been over. And now while she's on this probation, she tests positive for meth.
The night she tested positive for amphetamines, meth, and opiates, and on the March 5th, she tested positive for THC. She's also had skips on her device, 12 in February.
She was given chance after chance, but the tests kept coming back dirty. Now the courtroom reaches a breaking point, and the judge has heard enough. This isn't about promises anymore. It's about consequences.
So I really think, and I warned her at the outset when she got on the probation, that it was a problem, that I was going to put her in treatment. And I think that this is truly the only appropriate way to go forward, because we gave her the opportunity to do this on her own, and we multiple times, and it's just not happening.
I have signed up for treatment, sir.
Ours is better. And I think that that's really the only appropriate course of action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to amend. I think that that's, the evaluation is to do who.
Yes, go ahead, I'm sorry.
In terms of the treatment, Your Honor, is it that you are wanting it to be jail-based treatment, or could it be facility?
No, I used to use,
It's too late. When we're helping ourselves to test casita, it's a 36-month program based on how to respond.
Your Honor, I have my father at home by himself, Your Honor,
gave you the opportunity, ma'am.
May I speak to you openly? Just for a second, Your Honor?
No, I've heard it before. You've told it to me time and again, and I've heard it time and again. And I'm sorry, but, we gave you the opportunity. You're testing positive for these.
Please.
So, Your Honor, I think when I spoke to her before, the only thing that we were talking about in terms of possible failed drug tests was a test that I showed from last month for marijuana. And so her explanation for that, Your Honor, is that she has broken her arm in 2 different places and pain management issues. Until we were here now, I'm only hearing about these other things. The only reason I bring it up, Your Honor, is because if she is having some type of issue with substances, I support treatment. I just question whether the jail-based treatment is the only possible option. Like, could she go into custody and be transferred from there into a facility where she has to be inpatient for 120 days or however many days you're requiring? Does it just have to be who? I guess is what I'm asking.
Here's the thing. If I've done a TRAS on someone and have deviated from it, we've paid for it dearly. They've either picked up a new DWI, a felony, and I really take homage in the TRASs, because I tell you, every time we deviate from it and I acquiesce to something that you guys want or defense wants, we pay for it dearly, and they end up in a worse position. And so that's why this has been an ongoing battle for 2 years. We've had an ongoing battle with Ms. Gonzalez for 2 years, where it's been nonstop testing for this or testing for that. And I can show you the proof. I've got the proof. And now while she's on bond, she picks up a felony PCS. She's testing positive for these things,
I would just add the felony PCS was dismissed.
I get it.
It's my medication.
Within 5 days of it being filed. So
I understand. I get it. But I really want to do it with the TRS. I'm sorry, man, but that's what we're going to do.
I can't leave my father, sir.
These are things that you think about when you're out there in the free world. We gave you the opportunity, Ms. Gonzalez. I'm not going to argue with you.
No, sir, I'm not trying to argue with you, sir. I don't think the drug tests you're not, Your Honor, I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to say you're not looking at it correctly, but maybe you're not remembering, sir. I haven't
so
done
maybe
it
she wants a motion.
Years.
Maybe she wants a hearing on, revoking her probation.
Not revoking it.
So he's not
revoking.
No,
you're just changing the conditions.
What I'm saying is my drug tests, sir, those are my medications that you're calling out, sir. The Adderall.
Okay, stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Just, I'm sorry.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
I'm not gonna argue. No, we tried this.
Can you please go? His name is Steven. He's around the corner. That they're putting me in jail. How long am I gonna be?
It's all up to you. If
Your Honor, I will
all
do
the treatment-
anything. I can't take my dad's not gonna have anyone to help him, sir. If we
I'm not gonna
please
argue
look.
with you, ma'am.
No, sir, I'm not trying to argue.
Had the opportunity.
I haven't drank in 15.
In court, excuses don't erase a pattern. Evidence does the talking. When chances are wasted, the system stops negotiating. The lesson? Accountability comes due every single time.